रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज के चेयरमैन मुकेश अंबानी ने कहा है कि हिंदुस्तान सबसे तेजी से तरक्की करने वाला मुल्क है। इंडिया मोबाइल कांग्रेस में खिताब करते हुए मुकेश अंबानी ने कहा कि मुल्क पीएम मोदी की क़यादत में आगे बढ़ रहा है। उन्होंने कहा कि 2020 तक हिंदुस्तान में पूरी तरह से 4G नेटवर्क होगा।
Today we are living in an India of unprecedented hope and promise. An India that is poised to embrace an immensely exciting future. A World Bank report indicates that India will have fewer than 3% of its population living under extreme poverty by 2021. Most notable among this is the visionary leadership of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. During the past 5 years, he has galvanized India. He has launched more number of transformative initiatives than in a comparable period anywhere in the world. India has moved from the 155th rank in mobile broadband penetration to being number 1 nation in mobile data consumption in the world in less than 2 years. At Jio, we are committed to connecting everyone and everything, everywhere, always at the highest quality and the most affordable price. I am personally excited about the promise and prospect of bringing digital revolution to India's villages, to agricultural communities and our rural enterprises, to women and to the marginalized communities everywhere. I am equally excited about connecting millions of small shopkeepers in India. The digital connectivity revolution can transform rural India most comprehensively. And imagine how it can transform India when it becomes 6 in 1, with Indians getting the revolutionary power of their first artificial intelligence services in their hands. And all this only for around 100 rupees a month. This transformation will accelerate as we get ready for a 5G world, driven by the proactive approach of the government. With Jio GigaFiber, we have now begun an ambitious push in fixed broadband through fiber to the home and premise. Jio is committed to building a deep fiber network across the country and ensuring that every premise is connected with the highest quality network. I assure you that our industry will play the role of a catalyst in this mission of propelling our nation towards this bright future.